Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the Power BI data type. We have below kind of data types like text. Text means contain customer name, order ID, category, product name, region. Then numerical data. Numerical data many things like quantity of any items, price, amount, profit, sales, like that. Then date time, then date and time. It may contains like order date, sale date, delivery date. If you want time like hours, minute, those time also. After the boolean like true, false, whether it is accepted, rejected, yes, no, true, false. After geographical data. Geographical data means list of country or in a particular country how many states, city, district, pin code. This comes under the geographical data. Now we'll see in the details. For that, we'll go to the Power BI screen. This is my Power BI screen. Here we already imported data. So we can see here the orders. We have like category, country, customer ID, customer name. So here like category, then customer ID, customer name, then product ID, product name. All this comes under the text data. After that, there are some variable like discount, after that profit, quantity, then sales. Here we can see the sum icon here. So these are the numerical data. After that we can see the like order date, ship date. We can see the calendar icon. So these are the date and time means data. After that, okay, we can see some geographical data like city, country. Okay, we'll change it to geographical data. I will show you how. Yes. This is my data here. Here we can see this is order ID, having text data. After that, this is customer ID, customer name. This is segment. After that, this is the product ID, category, subcategory. These are the text data. After that, we can see the order date. Like we can see 17 July 2016, like 25th June 2016. This will come under the date. The same way ship date. After there's some numerical data as well, like sales, quantity, discount, profit. This comes under the numerical data. Now, this is the country. Here we'll categorize. You see, country, the United States here. So United States comes into the world map. So here, just in the data category, we'll select the country here. After we can see here, just before country, this is the globe icon. Means this is the geographical data. After the city, just select the city here. In the same way, we'll change the state also. So this is not the normal like name, product ID, or region or customer ID kind of data. This represents some geographical location on the map. That's why this will come under geographical data. So we'll change this to the state of province. Now see here, we have changed to city, country, state in the geographical data. That's why globe icon coming here before the state, city and country. Now postal code also. We can change it like postal code. Here postal code also geographical data here. Now we'll see how each data type work. Now we just selected the card here. Suppose we move the numerical data cells here. So it is showing total sum value for the cells. We can also aggregate with other like average, minimum, maximum, then variance, median. We can change it. So just write average. So average cells is 229.86 here. Like that we can change other as well. Like minimum. This is the minimum of cells. This is the maximum of cells. So numerical data work in this way. Now we'll take another card. Here we'll move some text data. Text data means chalo we'll move the category here. If we say category, it is showing only one. So we'll do the count count of category total 9994. Means category may be repeated also. We will do the distinct count. So total there are only three category. But if you total number of category in the table, it is 9994. Here we have first, last. If we can change the last category the technology here. So like that it works. Now we'll see here how the geographical data work here. Since geographical data represents some area in the world map, so we'll take here map. I will move the state name here in the location. I will move the states. Yeah, this is our state name in the world map United States. So this is the behavior of different kind of data type and the visuals selected. So this is all about the Power BI data type.